Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to reset a service interval reminder for a SsangYong Corando Ultimate 1.6 turbo diesel all-wheel drive, and the year model is 2021. So the first thing you need to do is turn the ignition on. And as you can see, the actual odometer is 38,448 kilometers. So by the way, this vehicle is due for service not by the kilometers driven, but it is due by the days that the vehicle is driven. So I did the 4,000 kilometer, 45,000 kilometers service for this vehicle, but the actual kilometer is below 45,000 kilometer. So the last service for this vehicle is last February 2024, and today is March of 2025. So to reset the service interval, you need to select the user settings. To select the user settings, you need to click this button. And there you go, user settings. And then select the display settings. Click this button. As you can see, there's an arrow up and down. So you need to press the button going down, so it will select the display settings. And then press enter. Just click this button to enter. Oh, sorry, my bad. You need to go back. You need to select the dashboard settings, That's it, dashboard setting. Enter. And then as you can see, check up alert. Select the check up alert by pressing this button down. And then enter. And there you go. Engine oil is 3,256 kilometers left. So since I did the service for this vehicle, we need to reset that engine oil. So just enter the engine oil. And then as you can see, hold the enter button to reset the distance left. So press and hold. Do you want to reset? Just select yes. And as you can see, it is now reset to 15,000 kilometers. So that's it for today's video, guys. See you on my next video.